If you have purchased PA26423, that's our Teflon pump ring and governor ring kit. You'll have 3 governor rings and 2 sets of pump rings. The governor rings replace the metal rings that would normally be in the governor housing. Now the pump ring sets will fit either the 1970 through 1978 pump and the 78 pump up to 86. The ring grooves are different in the top, but this ring kit fits both. The best way to install any of these rings is to take them in your hand and curl them tightly. That way, once they are installed on the product, they tend to stay in the groove and not tend to come out of the groove like that. Make sure that the ring cuts, the scarf cut on the ring, is positioned as so. If it is like this, the ring will not work properly. Again, it's okay to have the ring fit loosely in the groove. That's okay. A Teflon ring works differently than the steel ring you probably took out. Now, it's important on the pump rings that there are 2 different sizes. The size here on the bottom side of the pump, that is the larger diameter ring. Place them on the pump and make sure they are correctly. Now let's twist this one to ease the installation. This will prevent damage when you go to install the pump into the transmission. Don't worry, the ring will expand once it's in the transmission. See, that's much better than the other one. And for the top ones, the same. Squeeze them together in your fingers and install them. Notice the cut in the seal, and that's the way they're supposed to be. You can use some heavy grease to hold them in place while you assemble them if you'd like. I'll put this other wide ring on the later model pump, and you can see how that fits a little differently in the groove. It is a little looser than this one, but that's okay. That's the installation of our Teflon ring kit. Again, make sure that the cut is in the proper position, and make sure that the ring is seated into the groove properly and not hanging out. After that, you'll have no problems. Teflon ring should last the life of the transmission.